Hi, my name is Oscar. Today I'm going to introduce you the IM100 tablet. Okay, let's go to open it. Here is a tablet that have coverage for more than 30 brands. So now I'm going to show you the accessories that the tool came with. Okay, this is the UP200. It's good for you to know that the tablet comes with 4 OBD1 connectors that are going to be used for most of the old cards. It comes with the OBD1 connector for Mazda and for the Kia models, as you can see. Okay, now we are going to unbox all the accessories and we are going to continue in the next video with the information explaining each one. Okay, now we already unpacked all the accessories, and first of all I'm going to show you the IM100 tablet. This one you need to use the UP200, and then for the most of the American cars and Japanese cars we need to do the key programming through the DLC cable. Remember to attach it at the top of the tool, and then you need to bolt it like this. For the UP200 you need to connect it through the USB cable directly to the tablet. Okay, so now we are going to start explaining you the accessories that are going to be used with the UP200. First of all, I'm going to show you the adapters of the EEPROM. Actually we have two are the same one, you only need to use one. We put two in case that one can be lost. So this one is the APV001, used to read the EEPROM information by two ways. You can weld it, that means that you can put the EEPROM, in this case we have one for example. Remember that this is not included at the package. So you can put here, and then you need to weld. That means it depends on which model of EEPROM you are using, you can weld it. For the most of the common cases, you can use the other adapter that is the APA002, which need to be used with the APV001. I'm going to do the assembly, and then first you just remember that you need to be sure that the number 1 here just match with the number 1, because remember that EEPROM have one pin. This the first one need to be on the same one. Then you can put the EEPROM like this. You took the EEPROM and then put it on, and that's it. That's the second way. After all, remember that you need to put it on the UP200 like this to read the information. Okay, now I'm going to explain you the APV002, used to read the MCU information by welding the chip on the ball and connecting it to the UP200. As we did it for the APV001, you just need to make sure the right information have included on the same pin number 1, like this. Unfortunately we don't have the MCU out, so for do the demonstration, but it's the same way as the EEPROM. After the assembly, it should be like this. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use the accessory APA001, which have two wires. One is to be used with the MCU, connected directly to the ECU. The other one is the clamp, which are going to be used to do the read information of the EEPROM, right? First of all, we need to connect it to the APA200 like this. In this case we have an ECU as an example. I'm going to show you how to use the clamp to read the EEPROM information. We need to make sure that we are connecting to the right EEPROM. Now it's connected, so the connection have to be okay in our hand. the information that we are going to read are going to be wrong, so we cannot do the key programming. Now I'm going to do the demonstration on how to use the AAC001, which are going to be used to connect directly the tool by the OVD2 to the module. That means that we can read the information with these cables. We connect to the module directly, and then we use the Auro one to make the power on the ECU, because we don't make the connection by the OVD2 cable, we connect directly to the module. So remember, when you are performing the function, you can tap at the table view wiring diagram to follow how to connect it. I'm going to show you an example here. In this case, we are going to use an Audi vehicle. Let's imagine that we can use the MCU. Okay, so let's use the Audi as example, the A6, and then you can check here. When you put all key lost, it show you here at the end view wiring diagram. When you access here, it will told you which cable or which accessory you need to use, or in the other hand, it will show you how to do the connection directly to the ECU, as we already show you. So that's it. I hope that you can understand what's the use of all of these accessories. If you need more information, you can check us at the YouTube channel or check our website at aurodag.com. Thank you.